Welcome back, and we're glad you're here on WKYT. The Lexington Fayette County Health Department is hoping to reduce the number of people who smoke and vape.
Parents, as you know, this problem is especially prevalent among teenagers. Angela Brumley Shelton is here to tell us more about a new program in Lexington for those at-risk teens. Thank you so much for joining us. We were just talking about, you have a 16-year-old, so you're seeing this, on the ground floors. It's just starting to become such an issue.
It is, and both of you mentioned earlier, one of the things that we're just flabbergasted about is how quickly it happened.
Right.
Those of us who work in tobacco control and public health have been saying for 4 or 5 years, this is a problem. Don't vape. Don't use the e-cigarettes because we don't know enough about them. But even we didn't know how quickly they were going to overtake the youth addiction world and how quickly youth were going to start using them. But when the Juuls or the other pod-based systems came out, that was really the fuse that lit the fire that we're in now.
Very simple question. Do e-cigarettes contain nicotine?
Absolutely.
Yeah. So that is the problem. They are addictive, right?
They are. And something that's really important to keep in mind that I think, or that we're discovering that a lot of people don't know is, number one, they are not regulated in any way by FDA. So it is a free-for-all. And so even if they are labeled nicotine-free, which a lot of them are, they are very likely to contain nicotine. So there's no regulation. So you may buy them with every intent to stop smoking, but in fact, you're still getting nicotine.
And we know several school districts already launching lawsuits against the makers of these products. It's a huge response, but it's needed because it's a huge problem. I mean, you're having to help with prevention, but also recovery for a lot of teens already hooked.
It is. It's very expensive and very time consuming for the school districts and for parents. And it's happened so fast that we are in public health. We're having to really move quickly to try to find a way to help.
What resources do we have at this point?
Well, luckily in Kentucky, we have a new program. It's called My Life, My Quit, and it's offered through Quit Now Kentucky. That's specifically for adolescents or for younger people. And so that is free, and it's a text-based program that young people can use.
From your smartphone. They're already on them anyway, so.
Yeah. Angela, we're going to stay on top of this. Thanks for coming in, but we need to, continue the dialogue on this as the state and the nation face the issue, Appreciate you coming in.